Universal Studios Park. Here's a candy store behind me. We just got here. It's about 8, the left or 8. Early entry with annual passes. You can get some pastries at Today Cafe. Outdoor seating and some indoor seating. Universal Studios store. Gonna go wait in line on the train. Ooh, we're in Dr. Seuss. Thank you. Hand sanitizer when you walk in. Say hello to my friends, people. They like you. Look, a universal duck. He's hanging out. Minions. The minions are coming. The minions are coming. The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon. Race through New York. Revenge of the Mummy. It is early, so nothing is really open this early. So there's lines waiting to get in. We just left New York and now we're in San Francisco, Fisherman's Wharf. All these restaurants. The triple-decker bus. Next to a water fountain. Well.
Is it? What's her name?
Sherry?
Mary!
Sherry.
Oh, Sherry, that's what I said. Hello, Sherry.
Hello.
Love the purple. You look sharp. It's my favorite color, if you can't tell. Who's this with you?
My husband.
Hello, husband. That's smart. Don't name him. You get attached. Where you guys from, anyway?
Claremont, Florida.
Oh, welcome to London. What brings you here? Vacation? Business?
A getaway.
Oh, a getaway. That's lovely. See, I would love to get away myself, but you know, I'm kind of attached to my work.
Kind of. Just slightly attached.
It's a bit of a problem. This is my headquarters. I have to hang out here. What brings you to the night bus? What can I do for you two?
Which way is Diagon Alley?
Oh, easy. It's just diagonally that way.
Okay.
Get it? Diagonally?
Boom, boom.
Just head to the brick walls. Don't tell anyone. It's a secret.
I will not tell anybody at all.
Thank you. You were the best.
Oh,
You guys have a wonderful meal.
We just entered Diagon Alley. Feels nice and cool in here. It's like a restaurant over here. Leaky Cauldron. Leaky Cauldron. That broom keeps going over the same area over and over and over. I think it's clean.
These are going to be all of Andrew's original wood wands. They're going to be based off your personality or any significant date of the year. These are going to be all the famous witches and wizards. So we have everything from Harry Potter to Hermione, Dumbledore, Voldemort, all those are going to be right in here.
Oh, these wands. Awesome. That's so cool.
I don't remember who had what.
I don't either.
It's pretty simple. So we have Harry, Hermione, Ron, Ginny, Neville, Luna, Cho Chang, Cedric, Fleur, Lupin, and Tonks. Over here you're going to have Dumbledore, McGonagall, Mad-Eye Moody, Sirius Black. Then here you're going to have Professor Snape, Narcissa Malfoy, Draco Malfoy, Voldemort, Yaxley, two Death Eaters, and Bellatrix.
Okay, did you get all that?
I got it. Thank you.
Perfect. Lupin and Tonks. Over here you're going to have Dumbledore, McGonagall, Mad-Eye Moody, Sirius Black. Then here you're going to have Professor Snape, Narcissa Malfoy, Draco Malfoy, Voldemort, Yaxley, two Death Eaters, and Bellatrix.
Okay, did you get all that?
I got it. Thank you.
Perfect.
Fear Factor is not in production today. They have made this into a rest area. Come back here and take off your mask and rest. You're in their Fear Factor stage area. This is the you rest area where you can take your mask off and just sit down and rest. I'm scared. It's a Fear Factor. No, no, don't make me do anything I don't want to do or eat bugs. Oh, gross. Or climb something. No, no, I can't do that. I don't like it. Are you going to go to Fear Factor and try it here? Oh, no. We found a shaded area here. We're just sitting down and resting. And that's my husband over there. I'm going to sit down and just enjoy a little rest and have some water. Men in Black. Alien Attack. How about a duck? Water keeper for your beverage, $17. How about one of these? Got beer? $13. time machine. This is the Back to the Future movie. This was also in Back to the Future, this car.
After spending time with Shrek, I got to see King Julian from Madagascar. It was pretty cool. He wanted to make faces at people. Say, hey everybody, look at me. Driving and everything is done, or you're ordering and everything is done on the app, the mobile ordering. Right here. Less interaction with people, it's a lot better that way. And here's a reminder on the table to order in the mobile app. I ordered a grilled chicken sandwich and fries and a water because I'm so thirsty for water. I can't wait to eat, I'm hungry. Are you hungry? I got a plain grilled chicken sandwich. I put some mayonnaise on it and I got some fries. It's really good. It's really fresh. It's a little dry, but it doesn't taste dry. But it's really good. Open up. Here it comes. Yum. Time to eat. No way. No way. Silly stuff. It's the Minions. I like the Minions. Oh, look at little purse. Purse, clothing, bags, hats, shoes. Look at the hats. Here are the little wee ones, little babies. We're going to Betty Boop. Oh, Betty Boop. Pierce. Kitty. Hello, kitty. Oh, I miss toys like this.
Doing well. What is that thing you're holding?
That's a strange contraption to take photos of you.
It's a what?
It's a strange contraption to take photos of you.
Oh, gotcha. Very interesting. I like it. It kind of looks like a weird wand from Harry Potter. I was like, these wands are getting weirder and weirder.
Very strange wand.
Yeah, no, indeed. Oh, man, what you guys up to?
On our way out, we've seen everything.
Oh, there you go. Okay, what are you headed to next? Anything in particular?
See what we find. That's basically it.
Oh, all right. Well, that's a pretty easy day, I feel.
Just wing it.
I'm ready for lunch.
Oh, we just had lunch. You missed it.
Wait, what? You just had lunch? Man, what you guys have?
I had chicken and fries, and he had cheeseburger and fries.
Oh, that sounds nice. I don't know if that's enough food for me. Ever since quarantine, I've been eating a lot more. I feel like I need something more. I need like maybe chicken and rice and maybe some beef and rice and maybe some extra veggies, maybe some cheese dip, maybe some waffles as well, some panzini, maybe some baked ziti as well, maybe a pizza or two. That'd be a good lunch. I feel like that'd be really good, right?
That'd be good lunch. That's plenty of food, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. For me especially.
And a Diet Coke to wash it down?
Oh, absolutely. Woo, yes, absolutely, a Diet Coke. Because, you know, I gotta watch my figure.
Right, me
Yeah.
too. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you guys later.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have like a favorite ride?
Mellow.
No.
Very mellow ride.
Oh, a very mellow one. So like, I was gonna say like the Shrek ride.
Yeah.
No, it's a little rough. I mean, I am kidnapped by a dragon. I'm fine, of course, because I can do karate, so it's all good.
What's up, Ryan?
Shrek!
Sounds like something you might put on
Hi,
the
Shrek.
stand. Can you do a little extra alive?
Let's dance.
Alright. It's hard to see how you guys through the tall grass. You look like you're spying on me or something. Okay, let's
Bye,
go.
Shrek.
It's like when TMZ does.
See you on the next video. So long. Bye.